The nature and philosophy like to introducing about kangaroo lizard. Known as kangaroo lizard, it is an animal belonging to the Reptilia class in the Kingdom of Animalia. It is scientifically named as Otocryptis wiegmanni. This animal has the ability to keep its body upright and run on its hind legs. It lives in Agasthyamalai, Cardamom Hills, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. This animal can be seen in several areas in Sri Lanka.It is 4.4 centimeters long and the tail is 7.6 centimeters. Pits are seen in the neck and shoulder area. There are scales all over the body. They are V-shaped. There is a dark oblique band below the eye. The underside is white and young lizards, takes a brown color. 3-5 eggs are laid to spawn. Like, comment, share, subscribe and click the bell. Stay with us. Powered by V Entertainment.